Mbunge wa North Rahim DAWOOD na kinyithitie Muswada mbunge nene yo ingie WAAMBA bwa NDITHIA kiri moroto yo kwithirwa kwina mubango yo wikira rwano kiri NDITHIA kenda kuriria WAAMBA bwacio na mutaratara yo cokia NDITHIA riyo kiuta tena watho. Antoni Kathenya na utariria nkuluki.
Muswada jolo wendekithitwe ni mubunge wa North Rahim DAWOOD muronto au ni kurwa na WAAMBA bonye muja NDITHIA ile thiritwa thina nene na thirikari ya Kenya Kwanza itongeritwe ni Rais William Ruto kunenkanira wirane ba kuthiria thina ino.
If we know Kenya well, we have an issue about livestock theft, and it's a very big issue which the president has pronounced himself as well. Even in Meru, by the way, we've got a very, very big problem.
Muswada jo kwenda garithi bonde kwandikithia na kumaka nyamo jao ja NDITHIA kenda gutetheria kagitakala jaiwa kulingana na Rahim kagitakala nyamo no ja NDITHIA ikuyewa na nyuma ni kugwatikana ni kwithagirwo kwina thina ya guicoki kiriene arithi baingi bakithagira na litage yao untu buria bomba kurete merimo ya nyamo ja NDITHIA.
Registering livestock, branding, I know it's going to be a bit difficult, but it's going to be very good in the sense that, Chair, the other day the police got livestock. It was stolen from Meru County. They found it, I think, in Samburu County. But what they found was not what was stolen. So they returned different livestock from what was stolen.
Muswada jo kagitagaka kwirigira gutetheria kirogori na wende baja moja NDITHIA
that a permanent branding system can be done. You see, those are things which the Cabinet Secretary together with the Council of Governors can agree on how to do the permanent branding. Regarding movement or sale, I believe it is possible, Chair. Every animal which is even branded, like we sell a car. When we sell a car, we do not change the number plate. We just give a logbook.
Amona ogurwangirwa nyamo ja NDITHIA kiri Ministry ya Urimi ni rureganite na Muswada jo rwangiro rukiuga Ministry ya Urimi ni thondekete miswada mingi ile limbere ya bunge amona kanju ya mawaziri kienda kuthiria mathina mama rwangiro rukiulagia bunge kuregana Muswada jo na gwitukia miswada ile kinyitwe mbere ya bunge eno ni Ministry ya Urimi.
We are requesting the National Assembly to stand down the processing of this bill in favor of the above proposed legislative agenda, which we shall share with you.
First, we have not seen the proposed legislation. That is the first question, because if we could have seen maybe it is covering what you guys, what the bill is containing, we could have requested. But what I want to tell them is first to provide us a draft of those proposed bills.
Killing the bill will not solve, and if they say that they've got a similar bill coming up, Chair, we've had those stories before. I was in another committee as well, where I was told I cannot do this bill because it's going to be coming. It took 4 years and it never came.
Kuma muji munene Nairobi, Beta Antoni, Rangi wa Kathenya.